look at my tiny little FabFitFun winter box. If you want to see what's inside here, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. He's just on toy overload and Chloe's off doing Chloe things, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my tiny little FabFitFun box. Now FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box, and you get to pick everything in your box out of 6 different categories, and you can add on additional things if you like, but in each category you get to choose what goes into this particular box, so you kind of curate it from a list of items. And so this is a tiny one, but I really am excited about what I got in here, so let's check it out. Now I do have a code down below that's going to save you a little bit of money if you decide to subscribe and you've never subscribed before, so feel free to check that out. I think it gets you like $10 off. So in category 1, for an additional $20, you could add on the Fenty Beauty perfume, and this was, I believe, a $75 value. So I think, adding it on for 20 bucks, a little high there. I could be wrong, it could be more. Probably is more than that. I'm probably thinking of something else. I'm thinking of the Paris Hilton perfume that I just got in my luxury review box. I think this is a little bit more. I think this is 125. So there we go. And I did try to smell this before, but I couldn't find it at Ulta. Maybe they have it at Sephora. The only Sephora I have near me is in a Kohl's, and they did not have it there. So, and then I think I saw that it was exclusive to online. All right, so it is an atomizer, and I do hope that I like this for the extra money. What's up? What's up? Are you on like toy overload, huh? Are you like psycho tonight? You are. Oh, you're so thankful. You're so thankful. I'm so thankful for all the toys. That is interesting. I don't even know. I mean, I like it. I couldn't even tell you, though, what the scent notes are. It's very interesting. I've definitely never smelled anything like that before. Now, in this category, I did add on 2 more items. Originally, I had so much in there, and I had to just cut back. But I actually had this in every single color, and I decided to just get this one color. This is the Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick in the color Dusty Rose. And they were all very pretty, but I went with this one because it was the most kind of everyday. Some of the other ones were a little bit darker, and you can certainly bluff those in, but this was just more like an everyday kind of glow, and I liked that, so I stuck with this one. Then the other thing that I added on was the Olaplex 4C, which is a clarifying shampoo, and 5, which is a conditioner. And mainly because like these are $36 each, and we are out of clarifying shampoo and we really needed one. So I was like, well, for $17 getting both of these, I think that's a heck of a deal. Now there is a soap in here. This is the Turmeric Milk and Lemon Drop. I believe this is the same scent that I got in my Allure box a few months ago, which is a nice scent. In category number 2, and I did not need these, and I was not going to put these in my box, but here they are. These are the Greg Natalie measuring bowls. These were like $75, which is obscene, but I just thought they were so pretty. So they're like this green speckle, and you know, this is your quarter cup and it goes all the way up. You have 4 different sizes to your 1 cup measuring cup. And I mean, this just kind of fits in with my own decor. I got a really pretty set from Margot Elena, and I like them, and they're very pretty, but this is kind of more my aesthetic. Next, in category 3, I have the ABH Brow Pen, and I got this in soft brown. I went back and forth. I thought the taupe was a little bit light for my brows, and the thing is that it's like a darker brown here, but then it like is blonder. So I said, well, I'm gonna go with the soft brown, and I kind of looked at the different pictures, and this seemed to be the one that would work the best, so I'm hoping it does. Still lighter than I thought it would be. That would be a little bit darker. It doesn't seem to have much to it. Like, I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be that. I guess it's not like an eyeliner where you get a lot coming out of it. Next, in category 4, I got these Patchology Flash Patch Eye Gels, and these are rejuvenating eye gel, and this I got because I remember when I read the ingredients, and like the first ingredient in there wasn't water, and it wasn't like some nonsense filler kind of thing. It was, what was it, retinol? Oh, now I'm reading this and the first ingredient is water, but when I read it online, that was not the first ingredient. The first ingredient when I read it online, I think when I read this online, the very first ingredient was the sodium hyaluronate, and I was like, yes, yes, I'm on board. And now I'm very disappointed because it's like way far down. So I'm not as excited about these. When I had seen that, I was super excited, and that's why I grabbed these. Probably would have grabbed something else had I known that, but here it is. It'll get used. Next, by Jade Leaf, I have these 2 matcha style or matcha lattes, strawberry, and these are cafe style sweetened, and you're just going to add 2 teaspoons of mix with a 1/4 cup of water and a cup of hot milk. So Chloe loves matcha, so I got these. And then last, by Verve, is a hydrate oil. It's a heat protection, moisture and shine for dry and frizzy hair. And you know, I'm all about the hair products, so I said I gotta try that. And I do like the Verve products, so excited to see that. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to share with you is my candle. So I do get the mystery candle, and this is by the Candier. I think they do the Ryan Porter candles, but I always have some funny saying. And this is in the scent Champagne Bubble Bath. Baby girl, it doesn't matter whether you're a self-made Wednesday afternoon quarantine queen, or if you're an overworked Friday night merbabe in training, it's time to pamper yourself. Leave those troubles in the bubbles. Oh, it smells pink. Cute and sassy since 2016, New York City. All right. Smells like champagne mimosa, mandarin and coconut, sandalwood and vanilla. I don't smell any sandalwood in here, and I'm happy about that. It smells like pink, like you would think pink would smell. Happy and light and fruity. Okay, so that is my little tiny box. I have to say, I'm actually more excited about some of the other boxes I got than this one. But I do like, I mean, actually, I chose everything in here, and I do like everything. So, they were my choices. I can't be mad about it. But I do feel like some of the other boxes I got were a little bit more exciting than this one. But cute things in here, and I love those measuring cups. They're not exciting, but it's just my design aesthetic. So, happy to add that and maybe get rid of some other ones that I have that I don't really care for. So, what was your favorite item? Mine? I don't know. I feel like maybe it's those measuring cups because they're just so nice and simple. But I like the perfume. I like everything in there, and I'm sure I'm gonna like the eye patches. I'm just disappointed because what I read online was not the way the ingredients really fall out. All right, well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Be kind to each other, and hopefully I'll see you soon.